Hey guys, it's John again from Character Red. In this next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little bit of how I set up some Betsy Ross flags that I'm going to cut on the Shipoko 3XL XXL. So what I'm doing is I'm going in and I'm starting to modify the width and the height, which is the X and the Y axis. This is going to set me up for the template of the piece that I'm working for. So you always want to set this up. That way you can create templates and make it easier on yourself while you're trying to cut your pieces and produce things, more easily at a more frequent rate. So once we get everything set up for our X and our Y axis, I did this a couple times because I'm actually cutting a couple different Betsy Ross flags. I'm debuting a mini and a half flag, so I want to make sure that I've got the dimensions set for both, so I can go ahead and cut the unions or whatever I want to do on both of those style flags. So once we get this done, I'm actually going to show you a time lapse of me cutting one of the flags, show you a little bit of how it comes out, and yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, like this video, share it with your friends, and make sure you hit that little bell down there, subscribe. I really appreciate it. We're at 50 subscribers now, and it's really awesome just to see that people are interested in these videos that I'm putting out, because it's something that I really struggled with the CNC aspect when we first started, and I couldn't be happier now that I've had some growing pains. I've learned an immense amount of knowledge about how to work this CNC machine, and I just want to alleviate any growing pains that you might have if you're starting out with carbide motion, carbide crate, and show you all a little bit of what this machine can do, because it's truly a great machine at a great product price, and that's not anything that they paid me to say. That's just my opinion. I did a lot of research before I purchased it. But yeah, guys, remember, hit that little bell below. Make sure you tap it. Get all the notifications for when we're uploading videos. And I'll see you next time.